Hey everyone, this is Timothy Genoble, and this is my Module 9 reflection. So I'll be answering 3 questions. Describe the role of assistive technology in the classroom. Um, what past experiences have you had with assistive technologies? Out of the assistive technologies looked at this week, which one did you find most interesting? So, assistive technology helps students obtain independence in areas that otherwise may not be attainable. Therefore, students belong and feel included in the classroom and the community because he or she can complete tasks independently or as independently as possible. It's also designed to help students who have learning disabilities, whether students have physical impairments, dyslexia, cognitive problems. Assistive technology can help them to function within the classroom. These tools include any type of equipment or device that helps students to compensate for their learning disability or whatever their disability may be. Um, while they are unable to eliminate learning problems entirely, they can help students to capitalize on their strengths and minimize their weaknesses. Out of the assistive technologies that we looked at this week, Thera Simplicity was my favorite. The program had a variety of really useful tools, illustrations, worksheets, exercise sheets, explanations, and some good reference material for teachers, therapists, anyone really that would want to refer to those things. Um, there's several um, areas or applications. Um, so, existence, communication, positioning, mobility, physical education, environmental interaction. Um, that kind of covers the question number 2. It's describing 3 of the 6. It mentions several of them. Um, electronic worksheets. This is one that would be good for communication and also help with their social interactions, feeling included. Students with like dyslexia, they could use electronic worksheets to complete their assignments. This would help them line up words, equations, and numbers on their assignments. On some worksheets, text to speech or synthesizing, technology is even available. So, I mean, that's really useful. Another one that would be good, like phonetic spelling software for children with learning disabilities. Reading and writing can be a challenge. Phonetic spelling software designed to automatically convert the students typing into the word that they intend to write. For alternative reading options, students can always check, audiobooks. With audiobooks, students can follow along in their text and overcome reading difficulties. Another one, physical education. It did not mention that, prosthetics. That is a big one for the physical part. My niece, she got osteosarcoma, and she was one of the first to get she has a magnetic femur bone. It grows with her without having to have multiple surgeries. She's cancer free now, thank goodness. But it is amazing what technology can do now versus the way that those things were treated back before, these developments were about. So, another one, students can benefit from a talking calculator. The gadget makes it easier to check assignments, read numbers, and perform calculations. Why? I mean, it's simple. It's a simple tool. It offers an exceptional benefit for students who would otherwise struggle in math classes. Other than talking calculators, students could check out text-to-voice devices. Um, this function, on the same concept of converting written words into an audible track. So students can use these devices to check spelling or improve their reading comprehension skills. Um, Another one was the kind of with like an IEP, because everyone has a different learning style, and many students struggle with understanding auditory lectures. So for these students, like a speed recorder is an ideal solution. The student, they have to hit record, while they're in class, but afterwards the recording will be slowed down. It can be sped up for the student to listen to it again and again. If the pitch of the recording is hard to understand, they can modify it up and down too to make the lectures more accessible, which is, really neat. Find an additional technology that was not listed. One that I thought was really cool. My wife is getting her degree in special education in elementary, special education. So she really wants to do like an autism program. Sorry. So videotape, social skills. Autistic children and other children with learning disabilities may struggle to figure out normal social interactions. In the past, the common way to learn social interactions was to practice them. Unfortunately, many children inadvertently behave inappropriately as they try to learn what define normal or what we define as normal social interactions. With videotaped social interaction, students can learn important life skills and social behaviors without accidentally offending someone. In addition to interpersonal skills, these videos can work for self-help, academic and emotional problems as well. And my sources, were found at www.mastersinspecialeducation.com, and it has lists and um, five different resources there, with examples, what assistive technology is, the importance of it, and then some major ones that are being used in classrooms today. So I thought that was really useful. Um, and I enjoyed going through this module. It was definitely new to me. I really never have worked with any of these. So I did enjoy learning about them and will definitely be useful as a teacher. So have a great night.